If you use WhatsApp on an iPhone, consider this as your official wake-up call. Welcome to GadInsider, your help for the latest tech news. The app has issued a critical security warning following the discovery of a terrifying zero-click vulnerability, one that hackers can exploit without you doing a single thing. No sketchy links, no downloads, just a silent attack that could give cybercriminals access to your private data through WhatsApp itself. All it takes is for your device to be vulnerable, and that's exactly why WhatsApp is begging users to turn on automatic updates immediately. This alert comes in the wake of Apple's discovery of CVE 2025-43300, a system-level flaw that, when combined with WhatsApp's weakness, could open the door for highly sophisticated targeted attacks. While the breach appears to have affected only a number of limited users so far, the threat is very real and still growing. Security expert Adam Boynton said, WhatsApp and Apple devices are some of the most widely used on the planet. That makes them prime targets. A successful exploit is worth gold to attackers. Luckily, the fix is simple. Just update WhatsApp and enable auto updates to stay protected. Just open your app store, tap your profile icon, and scroll to see which apps need updating. Make sure WhatsApp is current. Even if you're on Android, this is a wake-up call. Enable auto updates across the board to stay ahead of potential threats. This isn't to scare anyone, it's a fact. If you use WhatsApp, keeping it updated is your best defense because, in this case, doing nothing could be all it takes to get hacked. Have you turned on auto update already? Tell us in the comments. Smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider. Hit the bell icon so you stay updated with more tech news.